Hi guys, my name is Lynn and welcome to G Strong Videos. Alright guys, so welcome back. So today I'm gonna show you one of my guitar collection that I purchased online, and there seems to be a bit of a problem. Okay guys, this is a Yamaha Pacifica Telecaster, or so what they call the Yamaha Pacifica 102S Telecaster. So if you're going to search the web for the Yamaha Pacifica Telecaster, you have to look for the 102S model. Now, here's the problem. So I done some research about some Telecasters for the Pacifica line, and there's a problem. My guitar luthier, who's doing most of the cleaning for my guitars and for my collection, have noticed something. The body of the Pacifica, there is something wrong with it. If you're going to compare with the 102 model for the Pacifica Telecaster, you will notice that this is pointed, not curved like this. Okay, so extremely, that is a problem. Because if you're a collector and then suddenly you bought a guitar that is a replica, then it's gonna be a problem for your collection. However, well, one thing for sure that I can say about the previous owner of this guitar is that he did a good job, like doing a replica for the body. Well, to describe it is that you notice that the pickup is different. It's not single. With the actual model for the 102S, we have the pickup, it's single. And well, of course, pointed, and it doesn't have any factory serial number. So that is what my guitar luthier and expert has noticed. However, the neck is authentic. It's really authentic. I think what happened here is that the previous owner has a guitar neck, a Pacifica, and perhaps something happened to the body. That's why he had it custom made. I don't know. Perhaps it broke. You know, it was broken and it was fixed. But to tell you frankly, I mean, we have tested sound, and then it sounds good as well. And it's a little bit heavy, but it's very decent. It's very decent. If you're going to play it on live, it's very decent. So that's why I asked my friend to do a cleaning and restoration, and then for us to know what are the renovations and repair that has been done for this guitar. So I want you to watch this video and see the cleaning and restoration that we did for this guitar. And it's not a Yamaha Pacifica 102S. So watch this video.
Through the hard times, you were right there. And even through my struggle, you stand by me. When I was alone, when I felt hurt, you came into my life and I will show you what you love me, you believe in me, and I'll give you my best. And I promise you that I will never leave, never leave, never leave. stand by me. When I was alone, when I felt hurt, you came into my life and I will show you what you love me, you believe in me, and I'll give you my best. And I promise you that I will never leave, never leave, never leave, never leave, never leave, yeah. And I promise you I'll never leave. Through the hard times, you were right there, and even through my struggle.
Okay guys, so that's about it. So a little piece of advice: that when you're buying the guitar online, you have to make sure that to do some research first and do a lot of checking before you buy it. I'm not going to say that I have regrets, you know, because this is actually practically an awesome guitar you're going to play it. And if I haven't told you that, you know, it's a replica, then you know you would have found out about it, you know. But it still plays good on live, and then the playability is actually good as well. So it looks like a 102S Pacifica Telecaster, but it's not. So for those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please do click on the subscribe button, and then for those who want to get updates, please click on the bell for notifications. You stay safe and get vaccinated. Bye.